Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, we will be looking at how much does it cost to make a simple website. I believe that you can make a simple website for completely free, and I'll be showing you a few platforms that you can do that on, and I'll also show you some platforms that you would have to pay and show you the pros and cons for each platform. The first platform that I would recommend if you are looking to make a simple website is none other than Google Sites. All you'll need with Google Sites is your Google account, that is your Gmail account. So you can go onto sites.google.com as you can see right here. Once on this platform, you'll be able to use either the blank template or you can use one of their pre-made templates as you can see right here. And I've done numerous tutorials on how to create different versions of websites with different purposes on this platform. For example, this website I created it for a donation example, and you can see it right here. So you can see that I have the image and I also have the donation section on which persons would be able to tap and make a donation. So this shows you that you can also use Google Sites. If you would like to sell something, you can do that using this platform. If you would like to create a charity website or so on, you can use this platform also. And it would be easy to use this platform to create a portfolio website or a resume website. The only pullback when it comes onto this platform compared to the others that I will be showing you is, for example, if you would like to add certain features, you're going to need to do some research on how to do that. So let's say, for example, you wanted to add a donation right here. You would need to go onto your PayPal account, and more than likely off the bat, if you're a beginner, you're going to have to research how to do that. Compared to other platforms on which they already have plugins or these features installed, and all you'll need to do is simply drag and drop, for example, a payment option. So that's the only pullback with Google Sites, as you'll need to do some research before you'll be able to access certain features. But typically all of the elements that you will need to create a simple website is on the right hand column right here. So you'll be able to find the content box, and majority of the features you can simply tap on embed and you will be able to add an embed code. And also all of the other Google plugins, for example, Google Maps, YouTube, and Google Calendar, and also Google Docs, Google Sites, and Google Sheets. You can easily add those onto your Google Sites right here. So if it is a case that you would like to add a Google form, you can create your form and then you can quickly add it to your website. The other platform that I would recommend, and also when it comes on to Google site, the domain name that you will be provided with will have sites.google.com in it. So you won't have the www.jason.com. Instead, you'll have www.sites.google.com.json. So you won't have a custom domain name. And the other platform that I would recommend is Wix. With Wix, again, you can get started for completely free, and it is quite easy to sign up. All you'll need is your email address. And again, with Wix, all you'll need is your email address, and the standout feature with Wix compared to Google Sites and other platforms that you can use for free is with Wix it is simply drag and drop. And what do I mean by that? For example, if we were to go onto Wix and I were to tap on get started, so let's say I were to sign in. So I'm going to be showing you how to create a website using Wix. So I'm going to tap on continue with Google. Once you're signed up to Wix, all you'll need to do is tap on create new site. After you have selected create new site, you're going to be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to tap on create on Wix editor. After selecting create on Wix editor, I want you to tap on set up without AI. And why I said Wix is one of the easiest platforms to create a website on is all you'll have to do is tap on the bar right here and from there you can type in the type of website that you would like to create. So for example, if you want to create a website for your business, so let's say you are a contractor, you can type in contractor right here. And all you'll need to do is simply select contractor. After you have selected contractor, the platform will walk you through and it will show you different themes that you can use, and all you'll need to do is simply change out the information that is on the current theme with your information, necessary information, and your website will look and operate professionally. The only pullback with Wix and the only time you would need to spend money on Wix is if you are going to accept payments. As with the free plan, you won't be able to accept payments. But with Wix, you'll be able to get a free domain name on the free plan, which is the wix.com. You won't get a www.com. And also with Wix, you'll be able to host your website for completely free. Now, the other platforms that you can also use is HostGator. With HostGator, you'll be able to purchase your domain name, which is the www.com, and you'll also be able to host your website. And you can see some different prices right here. So you can see for the Hatchling that starts off at $17.99 per month, and you can see the various prices right here. You can do your own research on that, and you can also see another platform that is very popular. It is Hostinger. And with Hostinger, you'll be able to start hosting your website for $2.49 per month. And again, with this platform, you'll be able to purchase your domain name, and you'll also be able to purchase hosting. And another platform that a lot of persons recommend and highly rate is WordPress. And with WordPress, you can get started for free, and you can see the different pricing points right here. So again, to wrap it up, if you are looking for a platform to create a simple website for completely free, I would recommend that you go onto Google Sites. If you're looking to create a portfolio website or a resume website or so on, you can use Google Sites, quick and easy to create one. And you can watch the different tutorials that are available online to create your specific website for your specific need. If you are looking for another platform that will allow you to create a website for free, and you don't need to watch a lot of tutorials, and you won't need to embed a lot of stuff as it provides you with the drag and drop plugins and so on, I would recommend that you go onto Wix. Now, if you have some disposable income, you can go onto HostGator or Hostinger, and from there you'll be able to get your custom domain name, and you'll also be able to purchase hosting, and you'll have more power over customizing your website to your liking. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative, and it will assist, and that it assists you better yet in making the decision on which one of these platforms you want to use going forward. If you have any questions or feedback that you would like to leave, please please don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching.